Hi everyone, wanted to show a new option that just became available yesterday. As I record this, it was back on the 8th of February 2023. I think this is truly a great enhancement. It's the ability to take a look at a specific order and get detail on that order, including how much you actually made on a sale on eBay. And this is just, I just pulled up a screen from yesterday. Here's the banner. Click on any order to set it on the order details page. So if I'll just take some order. It's kind of sobering in some aspects, but I actually enjoy it. I had spoken about this on a live chat maybe a week ago, saying I really wish you could see how much you actually made on a sale on those graphs that they show you on the homepage, as opposed to this inflated number that includes taxes and shipping and all that stuff and doesn't net out fees. So anyway, here's one, $17.59 on this Corona portable typewriter antique print ad. If you click right here on your order number, here's your breakdown on the right side. This is the new option right here. It says what the buyer paid plus shipping. There's your total. Then it deducts that shipping. $4.09 for the label, $4.56. So you can see I made a couple of pennies on that. The ad fee on that one, $3, which is sort of hefty, but that's what I've been doing, is a little bit of a higher rate on my promoted campaigns. And then it takes away the transaction fee. So it's all evident immediately how much you actually made. So on this sale of an ad that was, how much was it? $17.59. I wound up actually making $12.20. I think this is a wonderful enhancement, and you could do this on any order in your store. You can go back to larger orders. Well, let's go, just for fun, let's go back to a postcard sale. Let's take a look at this card that sold 2 days ago for $4.50. Same thing, go to the order, click on it, scroll down lower right. You could see from my $4.50 postcard what I made was actually just $2.36 because of the same scenario. Taxes in, taxes out, transaction fees, shipping label 60 cents for standard envelope, and then the ad fee 72 cents. So on my $4.50 postcard, I made $2.36. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about this. I really like to see the numbers like that right away instead of having to try to go in and calculate it. I think this is a fantastic enhancement. I hope that they add a tool to the homepage, to your seller hub, that shows you this money on a daily basis, your net money, your actual proceeds received, deposited into your bank. Again, let me know, guys, what you think, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.